between the U.S. and China continue to create uncertainty in the national oil market.
And since man's headship is a biblical doctrine, Paul thought women should.
And caveats for behavior or injury. The yellow is one strike away from a...
Pastor de la Iglesia Betania de Guatemala. Las cosas que tú tienes por dentro.
It's National Just Because Day.
And desperately needed to lose weight. After hearing about College Day for many years, he finally...
What would have happened in America? Things change. I just spoke at a...
little less than 10 times your income. But that'll probably take care of everybody if something happened to you.
He said he's happy for his teammates, and he respects and he loves Andrew Luck. Privately, as director of communications for the campaign, he said President Trump will again win the states he carried in 2016.
This is an activation of the Amber Alert system. We have just received this important information regarding Timothy Cooper, abducted child in Omak.
Director Andrew McCabe. A report came out on Monday in the New York Times saying
this is an activation of the Amber Alert system. We have just received this important information regarding Timothy Cooper, abducted child in Ocean Shores, Washington.
Elizabeth Warren did the night before.
Senator Warren spoke to an estimated 15,000 people in Seattle.
If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please call the Ocean Shores Police Department at 360-289. Brown Eyes is 5 feet 6 inches and 165 pounds. They may be trapped. Five-year-old Caucasian male with brown hair and hazel eyes. He is 3 feet.
Volatile big time, no doubt. We've done 100,000 contracts out here today in Scrova, so.
Given the nature of the administration, what I...
For the average public employee, you should add on another...
commercial in 5, 4.
Oz 95.7. Here's your North.
Demographic groups whose democratic policies have failed them. Failing these kids, not their fault. Education is from the Latin. Does anyone think that Derek Carr is better than Ben Roethlisberger?
Or worms. They are a pathogen, right?
I get those goosebumps every time. I wanna press my line, yeah.
Good morning, this is your wake-up call. Llámanos si tienes la quinta persona.